Good day all. Kranti Day is observed and remembered to remember the historic Quit India movement organized by Gandhiji. This day is celebrated by the nation all over in the form of speeches and tribute to pay our homage to our various fighters. 9th August indicates the civil disobedience movement, the end of the British rule, Gandhiji's slogan, do or die. So here, the buds of Jagadguru English Medium School have tried their best to flash some memories to celebrate the Kranti Day, the Revolution Day. So, Kranti or revolution stands back from the time of our great leader Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. He began the decline of the Sultanate rule and formed the free Maratha Empire called as Swaraj. Swaraj, self-rule.
आम्हाला हरवेल असं रणांगण नाही आणि आम्हाला मारेल असं मरण नाही. हर हर महादेव.
Rani Lakshmibai, the leading figure of the national uprising of 1857, the symbol of fearless queen of rebellion in Kranti.
मैं रानी लक्ष्मीबाई प्रतिज्ञा करती हूँ कि जब तक मेरे शरीर में रक्त है तब तक मैं अपने झांसी की पूरी निष्ठा से सेवा करूंगी. हर हर महादेव.
Bal Gangadhar Tilak, first leader of independence movement. The British called him the father of Indian unrest.
Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it.
There is a long list of the great leaders and the social people who led their life during this Kranti Day from the time Gandhiji declared Purna Swaraj or independence.
You can trap and fortune me. You can destroy my body, but you can't trap my thoughts.
Vasudev Balwant Phadke, the freedom fighter, the first person of Indian armed rebellion. He preached that Swaraj was the only remedy for all the ills and unrest which have occurring during that time.
Indians are standing at the door of death. It is better to die live shamefully as a slave. I am afraid to God or government, for I have not committed any sin or crime.
Safikar brothers, they were inspired by Lokmanya Tilak. They were the participants of the incident of 22nd June 1897, widely known as 22 June 1897. They avenged the decline of the dignity of Pune due to the situation created in the pandemic of plague by assassination of Mr. Rand. Bhagat Singh, Rajguru Sukhdev, the matrix revolutionary violence and a great incident of bomb explosion in the court. The three great leaders, they were executed at the age of 23. They made them the heroes of the revolutionary struggle and a step forward for Kranti.
मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला माए रंग दे मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला माए रंग दे मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला रंग दे
Today, people will see that how lucky revolutionaries are pledging and sacrificing their life for a nation with a smile. Lucky. Very lucky. What's your last wish? हम एक बार गले मिलना चाहते हैं.
बसंती चोला माए रंग दे मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला माए रंग दे मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला रंग दे रंग दे बसंती चोला माए रंग दे.
Baba Sahib Ambedkar inspired the Dalit Buddhist movement and fought against social discrimination and untouchability.
I respect and accept the rightness which teaches equality, fraternity and liberty. Jai Hind, Jai Samvidhan.
Subhash Chandra Bose, the construction of the Indian National Army.
तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा.
Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the central figure in the Indian politics, a bridge between the pre and the post-independence, an eminent leader of the Indian independence movement.
Obviously, the highest type of efficiency is that which can utilize existing material for the best advantage.
Mahatma Jyotiba Phule, Indian social activist, thinker, anti-casteism, social reformer and a writer.
Education leads to lack of wisdom, which leads to lack of morals, which leads to lack of progress, which leads to lack of money, which leads to the oppression of the lower classes. See what state of the society one lack of education can cause.
Savitribai Phule, a poet, the first female teacher of India, mother of Indian feminism. Let's hear her words and sayings. Thank you.
झेलून या अंगावरती शेणा मातीची गाण दिले विद्येचे नाट लेखी करा या सज्ञान. मी सावित्रीबाई, क्रांतीज्योती सावित्रीबाई फुले. अंधश्रद्धेच्या विळख्यातून समाजाला नवीन वाट दाखविण्यासाठी मला खूप सहन करावे लागले. मला सुद्धा कोरोनासारखा फ्लॅगच्या साथीचा सामना करावा लागला. मी माझा मुलगा त्यामध्ये गमावला. लोकांना वाचविण्यासाठी मी आटोकाट प्रयत्न केले. तुम्ही पण हार मानू नका. कोरोनाला रोखण्यासाठी एकजुटीने प्रयत्न करा. त्रिसूत्रांचा अवलंब करा. मास्क, सामाजिक अंतर, सॅनिटायझरचा वापर करा. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र, जय क्रांती दिन. आम्हा सर्व क्रांतीवीरांची हीच इच्छा की जे आम्ही सुजलाम सुफलाम भारताचे स्वप्न पाहिले त्याला सत्यात उतरू द्या. ज्यासाठी आम्ही प्राणत्याग केले ते सार्थ ठरू द्या. सुजलाम सुफलाम भारतासाठी वृक्ष संवर्धन करा, ज्यामुळे माळींसारखी दुर्घटना सांगली, सातारा या ठिकाणी झालेले महापूर घडणार नाहीत. त्यासाठी प्रत्येकाने वृक्ष संवर्धन व नैसर्गिक आपत्तीपासून बचाव करा. संत तुकाराम महाराजांनी 350 वर्षांपूर्वी सांगितलेल्या गोष्टीचे जतन करा. वृक्षवल्ली आम्हा सोयरे वंचिरे व पक्षी ही सुस्वरे आळविती.
वृक्षवल्ली आम्हा सोयरी वनचरे, वृक्षवल्ली आम्हा सोयरी वनचरे, वृक्षवल्ली आम्हा सोयरी वनचरे, वृक्षवल्ली आम्हा सोयरी वनचरे, पक्षी सुस्वरे आळविती. वृक्षवल्ली आम्हा सोयरी वनचरे, वृक्षवल्ली